Hello guys, today I'm going to discuss with you what is custom tooltips in Power BI and why we need custom tooltips in Power BI. Suppose you want to expand any value details as in any chart form and any visual form, so you can use custom tooltips. So you can see here I have one chart visuals, and when I hover the mouse any region, so it is showing me region sales. So this is default tooltip, or you can say this is basic tooltip in Power BI. But now I want to see breakup of these sales product category wise as in any visuals form. So using custom tooltips we can easily achieve this. Now we will create custom tooltips. So for this, add new page, and firstly we'll set the page size and page view for tooltip. So click to visualizations, then click to format bar, and under format bar we have page size options. By default page size is 16:9. Then select tooltip from here, and now click to view tab, and under view tab click to page view, and from here select actual size. So you can see here this is actual size for tooltip. Now I want to see breakup of product category wise sales, right? So for this I'm taking one pie chart, and in pie chart I drag the product category as in legend and sales as in values section, right? And also I want to see total sum of all categories. So for this I took one card visuals, and I make it small, and then I drag the sales column here. Okay, so you can see here total product category sales is 1.92 million, right? And also I enable the data label for pie chart. So I go to format tab, and then I enable the data label with category and data value. So you can see here, and for card visuals I decrease the font size, so you can see here, and also for card category I decrease the font size 9 pixel. Fine. Now last one setting is go to the format bar, and then click to page information and enable the tooltip from here, and also change the page name. So this is tooltip page. Now go to the page one and select the visuals, and then go to the format bar and go to the tooltip sections. So make sure your tooltip option should be enabled. Then click to tooltip and click to page size and select tooltip from here, right? Now you can see here I'm over the mouse in each region, so it is showing me each region sales breakup in terms of product category wise, and also it is showing me total sales under each region. So you can tally the sales. It is showing me 592.17k, and also you can see here in east bar it is showing also 592.171.49, right? And now I'm hovering the mouse on west region, so it is showing me west region product category sales breakup, and same for central and same for south region. So you can see here help of custom tooltips we can expand the details of any values. So you have to caretake about 2-3 things. One is select the main page visual, then go to the format bar, and from here tooltip options would be enabled, and also select the page name tooltip, and in tooltip page firstly you have to set the page size for tooltip, then go to the view tab, and from view tab click to the actual size, and then in tooltip page make sure under page information you have to enable tooltip, right? So these are the main settings for tooltips, and you have to care about these, and then your tooltip option automatically will be enabled. So you can see here, right? So I hope you understand how you can create custom tooltips in Power BI. Thank you guys.